Hello everyone, welcome back to SM classes. So today we are talking about how to draw a graph of a given equation. Let's see. So we go from basic one, means suppose the equation which is given to you. Take example, x plus y is equal to 1. So for that equation, so what is our target? We have to draw the graph for this equation. So let's see the simple example, x plus y is equal to 1, and for that what is our target? So we have to plot a graph. Let's take example, and we have to plot a graph over here like this. Clear, eh? So for that, what we have to do, just find out the coordinates of a x and y. So to find a coordinate of x and y, do one thing, make a table like this. So this is x, y, and xy. Now let's assume the value of x is 0, 1, and 2. So likewise, we have to find the value of x, y in this equation. So initially what we have to do, let's take example, this is the value of x, this is 1, 0, and 2. These are the three values which is given to you. Now what is our target? We have to find out the value of y for first case, second case, and third case. Now, so what we have to do, just put x is equal to 0 in equation x plus y equals to 1. So simply we have to put a value of equation x plus y is equal to 1 in this equation. So x is equal to 0. So we get a 0 plus y is equal to 1. Ultimately, we get a y is equal to 1. So put here 1. So the coordinate, it looks like 0 is a coordinate of x, 1 which is a coordinate of y. Keep it in a bracket. Next thing, so let's see the second condition. X is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 in equation. So let's see, x is equal to 1. We have to put it in equation number 1. So what is equation? So our equation is x plus y is equal to 1. Next. Now let's fill the value. X is 1. 1 plus y is equal to 1. Let's solve this. So this y is equal to 1. So this plus 1 migrate there, it becomes minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So your answer is 0. So the coordinates look like a 1 comma 0. Next. Now third condition. So for that we know the value of x and y. So x is equal to, what do you have to do? X is equal to 2. Put in equation 1. So write on equation x plus y is equal to 1. But we know that the value of x is equal to 2. So therefore 2 plus y equals to 1. Now just migrate this. So we get a y equals to 1 minus. So plus 2. If we migrate it there, then it becomes minus 2. So your answer is y is equal to minus 1. Clear? So write down data over here. Y is equal to minus 1. So the points are 2 and minus 1. Now, by using this data, Which one? By using this data, we have to plot a graph on a graph paper. Clear? So this is important point. So whatever the calculations we did right now to find the value of x, y. Okay, so this for the condition x is equal to 0, 1, 2. For that we get a value of y is equal to 1, 0 and -1. Now let's move to the graph paper. So we have to plot a graph for this one. Clear? So first of all, let's see graph book. Okay, initially we have to erase all the graph points. Next, so see 0, 1, 2, and see first of all find out the limit x. Lower limit is 0 and higher limit is 2. For a y, lower limit 0, oh, sorry, -1, upper limit is 1. So we have to go like this. Now, chalo. So write down, suppose this is a 0 origin, let's consider it as a 0. Okay, so 2 centimeter is equal to 1, 2, let's assume it, 3 and 4. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, +1, 2, 3 and 4. So -1, -2, -3 and -4. So this is x-axis, this one is a y-axis. So plus x, this is plus y, this is minus x, and this is minus y. Now let's back to the point. So for x is equal to 0, the value of y is 1. So we are talking about this one. So first point is 0, 1. So x-axis 0, y is equal to 1. So your point is here. So 0, 1 means your point is here. So this is your point. Next one. So 1, 0. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So second point is here. Now third point. So third point is 2, -1. Now let's see. 2 -1 means on x-axis 2, on a y-axis -1, 2 -1. So your third point is here. Now let's write down the points. So this point, which we called as a 0, 1. Next one, this point, which is 1, comma 0. And this third point, which is 2, comma -1. Okay. And what is our task? We have to draw a line. Okay, so now this is the point we have to draw the line. Now join these points. Which one? A, B, and C. Suppose this is the first point. So we have to draw a line like this. Use a scale. So very good. So this is your line. So what we have to do? Just make a line. So this is equation. So this is the line for the equation. What is our question? X plus y is equal to 1. So this is the equation of a line. X plus y is equal to 1. So likewise we have to plot a graph for a given equation. So first important thing, we have to write a scale. So scale is 1 centimeter is equal to, so 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5, or write down to like a 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. ठीक है? So for x axis also and for y axis also. So on x y axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Sorry. Likewise, we have to plot a graph of this equation. Clear? है? Now let's move to the second example. Similar type of second example that we have to solve it. Suppose the equation is like that. Just first of all, we just remove all the stuff. So write down next example. So the example is like that. 2x minus y is equal to 4. So this is a example which is in a 10th standard book. Yeah, this is example from a 10th standard book. So simply we have to write a equation, or we have to solve this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4, and we have to draw a line for that particular equation, or we have to draw the graph for that particular equation. So as per the previous one, what is the first step? Make a table. Let's assume it. This is the table that we have to draw like this. Next. So 1, 2, 3. This is the value of x, y, and xy. Now just put a value. So this is x, y, xy. Just like as the previous one, let's assume it x is equal to 1, 2, and 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. First, what is our second step? Put, just 1 minute, I'm sorry. Okay, so the second step, put the value of x is equal to 1 in given equation. So first and most important thing that we have to keep in mind, so the question, just put x is equal to 1 in given equation. So what is our given equation? So 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now what is the concept? X is equal to 1. So put x is equal to means 2 into 1 minus y equals to 4. So 2 ones are 2 minus y equals to 4. Now simplify this. So minus y, if you want to migrate, then migrate. So minus y, it becomes plus y. So 2 as it is plus 4. If you migrated this plus from 4 from right to the left, so it becomes minus 4. So therefore 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 equals to y. So write down y is equal to minus 2. So answer is y is equal to minus 2. So, so we get a first term y is equal to minus 2. Now what is the second condition? Put, so write down, put y is equal to 2 in equation, which is our equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. Similarly, just like as the previous one, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, minus y equals to 4. So therefore minus y is equal to, if you shifted this 4 from left to the right, so it becomes minus 4. So we get a 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we get a y is equal to 0. So write down here 0. Y is equal to 0. So your answer is, or the coordinate for the second point is 2, 0. Similarly, third step, put x is equal to 0 in equation. So write down equation. So 2x minus y equals to 4. Once again, 2x is equal to 0. So 2 into 0, that is 0, minus y is equal to 4. So therefore, minus y is equal to 4. Therefore, plus y equals to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. So that we have to put in this 0 minus 4. So your coordinates are 0 minus 4. So likewise, we have to fill this table. Okay, by assuming this is the first condition, this is second one, and this is third one. So this is the table, and now we are going to plot the graph for this table. So let's move to the graph once again. First of all, we have to erase this all the stuff. Now, so first of all, let's, as like as the previous case, just find out the limit. Okay, so 0. So x-axis, the coordinates starts from 0 to 2, and for y-axis it starts from -2 and -2 to -4. So the maximum values, just assume it 4 for all the classes. So let's assume it, first of all, write on scale x and y. On x, and y axis, 1 centimeter equals to, sorry, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So write down here 1, 2, थोड़ा इसको erase कर दो, 2, 3, 4. So -1, -2, -3, -4, +1, +2, +3, +4. Now -1, -2, -3, and -4. Here this is the value of coordinates or scale on x-axis, y-axis. Now you have to plot a graph, obviously. So for the terms 0, -4 is there, 2, 0, and 1 is equal to -2. So let's draw a graph. So first of all, let's see the first point, which is 1, -2. So 1 -2 means here is 1 and here is -2. So we have to draw a line like this. So we have to find a point. So 1 and -2 means your point is here. So your point is here. Now let's move to the second point, 2, 0. So this is your second point, 2, 0. Let's move to the graph. 2 is here, 0 is here. So 2, 0 means your point is here. First point is here, second point is here. Now let's move to the third point. So now 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 means this is 0. Sorry, this is 0 and here is a minus 4. So this is your last point, 0 minus 4. Now what we have to do? Let's mention these points. This point is okay. So this was first point, this is second point, and this is third point. So let's tell me the coordinate. So इसके coordinates क्या आएंगे? The first coordinate is 2, 0. Here 1 minus 2, and here the coordinate is 0 minus 4. So these are the three coordinates. Now just join this line. So we have to draw a line like this. Clear? Okay. So this is the graph for your equation. So what is the equation? So your equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2x minus y is equal to 4. So write down here 2x 2x minus y is equal to 4. So this is the graph for your equation. So we have to draw a graph like this. So this is the question that we have to solve it in a 10th standard. Solve the simultaneous equation by a graphical method. So in that case, we require this one, the basic concept which we require in this equation. So when the two equations are there, okay, or more than one equations are there, then suppose the graphs are like that, somehow we get a such type of graph, or in case the graph it's look like this. So for that case, we have to apply the same logic for the different equations. The procedure is similar, and we have to draw the graph like this. Okay, so try practice, or just practice on this equation or a similar type of one or two examples. So at the last, I would like to say thanks for watching our SM classes. So thank you.